Test your Wi-Fi signal strength using Wi-Fi signal meter from Play Store. Usually, Wi-Fi signal strength is measured in the format of decibels. So, the more decibels closer to 0, the more speed you get. Like for example, the usable decibels which we can use is minus 75 decibels to 0. If we go minus 75 to above like minus 80, minus 90, then it's not usable Wi-Fi signals for us. Just download Wi-Fi signal strength meter from Play Store. Now I am testing Wi-Fi device using my mobile, and it's about 100% Wi-Fi signal strength, and I am taking closer to it and I get minus 18 decibels. If we go away from the device, we can see still 100 up to 35 decibels, minus 35, and if we still go away, and the percentage keeps on falling. So I am testing these in 5 GHz range, so the signal strength is not much penetrable than 2.4 GHz. So the usable Wi-Fi signal strength is minus 75 and below 0. If we go above minus 75 to minus 80, then we can't able to use those signals, and our device never works on those signals. I just came outside to test how far signals is available. So 8% is ended 85 decibels, 87 decibels, so it's not able to usable. The usable decibels is only minus 70 and near to 0.